is Freedom of the Seas, cabin number 1826. Nice view of underwater. This is a spacious ocean view porthole. Oh my goodness. This reminds me of a balcony, but with lots of extra space apparently. Let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like the typical washroom arrangement. And if you give the cabin attendant a few extra bucks, you get the good soaps. I think the thing about this one is, oh, nice wardrobe there. Okay. Nice floor to ceiling. Couple of robes. Oh, some PFDs. Awesome. Some storage there. You know, that's one thing about Royal Caribbean. These microwaves, they never work, ever. Stupid. Chiller. And magazines. Looks like only 2 outlets. Bed. This is more like a lounge over here. And a queen size bed with the rounded corners. And we're sailing out of Miami today. Today's November 8th, 2021. So this reminds me of Viking Crown Lounge windows for sure. Sort of an angled. Yeah, nice floor to ceiling windows. Nice bed. I'm sure this thing probably converts to a bed or something like that, right? If not, it's just going to hold all your junk. Really? A nice room.